Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about interface in Java. So we know that Java does not allow multiple inheritance. In order to achieve multiple inheritance, we are using the concept of interface in Java. An interface in Java is a blueprint of a class. It has static constants and abstract methods. What does it mean is, it is just a collection of methods and the static constants. That means the methods are not elaborated, only the names of the methods are mentioned. That's why it's called as an blueprint of the class. The name of the data and the methods are specified. That's all. It is not explained in the interface. The interface in Java is a mechanism to achieve abstraction. It is just an abstraction, it is not an elaboration. There can be only abstract methods in the Java interface and not the method body. That means we cannot explain the body of the method in detail, but we can just specify all the names of the methods in the interface. It is used to achieve the abstraction and the multiple inheritance in Java. Now this is all the uses of this multiple interfaces. Here multiple inheritance. It is used to achieve abstraction. By interface we can support the functionality of multiple inheritance. It can be used to achieve the loose coupling. What is loose coupling is, between the modules or between the methods, they wanted to communicate passing data from one model to the other module. That is called as an coupling. That is the communication between the two different methods. So this type helps to achieve the loosely coupling in the between the methods. And now let us see. An interface is completely an abstract class that is used to group related methods with empty bodies. To access the interface methods, the interface must be implemented by another class with the implements keyword. So we are using the keyword implements. The body of the interface method is provided by the implement class. Now let us see with a simple example how the interface looks like. So interface, the keyword, and animal is the name of the interface. Open the brace, public void animal sound. This is one method which is an interface method, does not have a body, that just it is mentioned. Next one is public void sleep. This is another function, is the interface method, does not have a body. So the body means the content of this animal sound method or the content of the sleep method is not mentioned, but only the names of the methods are mentioned as animal sound, sleep, with the specifier public void and using the interface keyword. Okay, let us see how the implementation is done over here. Now we are defining a class called class cat. This class cat implements animal. That means we can use the interface of this animal by the implements class to the cat class. Okay, now we can define public void animal sound. Now we are going to use the animal sound method which is already declared in the interface earlier. Okay, so now animal is the interface and now we are using the method animal sound from the interface. And we are describing the body of the method. What is the body of the method? Simply for an example, system.out.println, the cat says meow meow. That is one statement. Now the function is over. We explained the function animal sound. Now we are opening another function, public void sleep. Sleep is another function mentioned in the interface animal previously. Now we are explaining the function with some statements like system.out.println, some symbol is some sound of sleeping sound is given. So we are explaining the function sleep. So close this braces and close the braces of the class over here. Okay. So now by this cat class, we have implemented the animal interface into the cat class. Okay. And now this cat class has the methods animal sound and sleep sound, which is described clearly, elaborately inside this class, but not in the interface animal. Okay, let us see how to use this in the main class. Class main, public static void main, string args, open brace, cat my cat. I am creating an object for the cat class using the new operator. So cat my cat is equal to new cat. Now I am applying this Now we know that multiple classes cannot be used. That is the limitation in Java. For that only we are using the interface concept. Okay, so we cannot have multiple classes together in order to use in the program. So now I am using this mycat.animalSound. So animal sound we can access through the object mycat, and sleep is another function I can access from mycat. Okay, so now this is how to use the implement option in order to have the interfaces. So the interfaces helps to just specify the body of the method, and in the class we define, after we define the interface, we can define a new class, and in that class we can implement the methods from the interface. So this is how the interface concept works, which helps to achieve the concept of multiple inheritance in Java. And thanks for watching.